Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel One to Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to refund in Steam. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to this website right here, that is help.steampower.com. Once you are in this website, all you need to do is log into your account. And guys, this is it. From here, simply select the game or DLC that you want to refund. For me, it's this game right here. So I'm gonna click on it. And guys, this is it. From here, once again, simply scroll down and click on this button called as View Receipt. Click on it right now. And guys, this is it. From here, we are gonna look at how to refund. Once again, scroll down and click on this I would like a refund button right here. Once again, scroll down and click on this button that says I'd like to request a refund. Once you do that, simply select the mode by which you want to receive your money back and simply hit on submit request. And guys, that is it. That's how we request a refund in Steam. It is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.